What up, peeps? Well, anyway, we made it up here to Green River, Wyoming, and as you can see behind me, it is coming down. There's the truck right down there, but we got caught in a nasty storm. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day tomorrow. Getting set up Buckboard Marina, it sounds like, is where the tournament's going to be for the Mac Attack Lake Trout tournaments, where we're going. But it is coming down. Got all my goodies over there. Yeah. This is quite the storm. Quite the storm. Over and out. We'll get you more in tune when we're set up on the ice tomorrow. Bye.